tired, eh? We just started working and you're tired already, eh? Let's do some more, Inugo. Oh?
Mama, we've been working since morning. I am tired already. Eh? Don't you know I'm a young girl? You want me to kill myself with farm work? No, I refuse. I refuse.
Adobodo Ibo. Adabekem. Eh? I will soon join you.
Mama, will join you. It's okay. Go. Mama!
Mama.
I don't like what you are doing. I don't like what you are doing. The way you are stressing this here for me. My daughter-in-law for me, I don't like it. Every time walk, it's only blue me.
Matela, she has been stressing me.
Just shut up. Obrondo boy na lolwego. Eh?
I'm going to be careful. Anyway, I was on my way back from the market. So I said, let me come and inform my daughter-in-law that her husband, your husband will be coming back next week.
Hey, what? Even one boy.
Prepare your mind to meet with him.
Hey! Mama, thank you.
Even one boy.
Why not? I bought something for you now. I'm on my city ben.
Obru what a clean go to live at.
I mean, it's stop stressing yourself. Oh God, Etiko. We're going to solve because. I don't want to. My in-law. Because you understand? Next week, my son will be around. Then they will meet each other. And so that preparation. You got to go?
Shall come back? It's one more phone.
In-law. Let me go home and prepare something for Congo. I know he's waiting for me now. Eh? Don't worry. Oh God, with Johnny. Oh dear. Yes, saying ma. Agi. Don't worry. Very soon, oh yes. Oh, where? I'm going to come now.
Bankata. Oh.
So, when are you going to come and see my people?
I mean, there's no point delaying. I'll be coming to see them tomorrow.
You will?
Yes, because I want to go to the village and inform my people.
So, I can tell my dad?
Of course.
And my stepmom?
Tell everyone. Listen, I wouldn't want to take them by surprise.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Pastor, I've heard you, and I've known you and my daughter for some years now, and I've never found anything wanting about you. And if I've got anything wrong about you, I've asked her to quit you, darling. But you're a good man.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. God bless you.
Another thing is that I don't know when you'll be coming, so that I will inform my mother in the village. The man now phone me, I take a money like.
That's true. My in-law, I'll be going to the village next tomorrow.
Yes, to discuss with my father, so that we can be able to come up with a date. That's very good of you.
Thank you very much, sir.
And my dear, do you have anything to say?
Well, not much. Pastor, you are welcome to our family.
Thank you. Thank you.
Chiamaka is my first daughter. Not minding that I'm not her biological mother, but I value her as my first child. Whatever you people are planning, plan it very well. Because I can't wait for that day to come.
I can't wait too. My dear, go and teach Chiamaka to prepare something for the husband our in-law.
Thank you very much.
I will be back.
Alright, thank you.
Come and sit down. We have something to discuss.
Yeah.
I want us to talk about that girl.
Which girl?
I mean Agnes' daughter that used to come here.
Oh, my daughter-in-law, Pascal's wife.
Says who? Have you discussed anything with our son, Pascal, concerning that girl? What about if he comes back and sees the girl and does not like her? What will you tell the girl and her mother?
Nine. Pascal is my son. I have every right to choose a wife for him. Ordinance?
No. That was in the olden days when the world was still in darkness. Huh? This is a new generation. I warned you before to be very careful the way you parade that girl in this community as your son's wife. You know the kind of son we have. He might turn you down.
Nine, don't worry yourself. Leave that for me to handle. Eh? Pascal is my son and I know he will never disappoint me. You know? Jera Lobola, because you know.
Ijenwa.
Nani? Nine. You want me?
Yes.
Nine. This one you remember to give me drink today. Thank you.
Did I offend you now by giving you this palm wine?
No, my husband. Thank you very much. Amen. Hey! Our son is here. Pascal, hey! Hey! Pascal,
Mama!
I'm fine, you're welcome. Hey! Mama!
Papa, you're welcome, my son. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
How was your journey? Pascal,
Look at you, Papa. You're looking good.
God.
Mama, I think I have something in the boot. I go for you, Papa.
Hey.
Yes.
I
Come
trust
with me
you.
so you can.
Come on. Who is here? Chizoba! No, yeah, your mother-in-law. Mama, good day. Good day, my dear. No, can't give me. Your husband is back. I want you to come and meet him. Which one is it? My son. Mom, work actually in, okay? Say why, Mama? Okay, Mama, let me quickly go and change something better. What you are putting on is very, very okay. What? Hey! Where are you two going to? No, her husband is back. I want her to come and meet him. Goli Beno, what do you come? She's about Chilunga Lechebe.
Papa, where is Mama?
I just saw her walk away from 2 minutes ago.
Oh, To where? Oh, there she is coming back. Mama, I was asking of you.
I went to see my friend. Chioma, here is my son. He just returned from the city. Greet him.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
I see. What's your name?
My name is Chizoba.
Chioma.
You have a very beautiful name.
Hey.
She's beautiful. Look at her face.
Thank you.
Oh, Mama, please, I'm hungry. Get me something to eat.
Chioma, to the kitchen.
You like her? Papa, she's beautiful.
I hope you like my son.
Are you asking? Of course I do. I like him so much, Mama. He's very handsome.
Don't worry. You see that handsome boy? Very soon he will become your husband. You know?
Mom, I cannot wait for that to happen. I like him.
Don't worry. Let us go to the kitchen and prepare something for him to eat.
Wow, that's nice. Must be a wonderful book.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
My son, enjoy yourself.
Baba? Baba, you need to have a taste.
Pastor, you mean you came all the way from the city to tell me that you have seen another girl to marry? After all my commitments to Agnes and her daughter Chizoba, hoping that you're going to marry her, it will not happen.
Papa, please, who is Chizoba?
The girl that came here and cooked for you, Ilisiela Chaka. That beautiful girl.
Oh. oh. That was the game both of you were playing. I see. No wonder. Papa, are you aware of this?
My son, I have warned your mother severally over what she has been doing with that girl and her mother, but she would not listen. I have asked her if when you see the girl, if you will like her, but she kept on saying that you will marry her whether you liked it or not.
That I must marry her. And what is your contribution to this?
My son, you are a full-grown man, old enough to decide what you want in life.
Thank you so much. Mama, did you hear what Papa said? So whatever agreement you have with that girl and her mother, you better go and settle it with them because I am not involved. And please don't involve me. As I talk to you, I've found a girl I want to marry. And that's all. Papa, please. You have to go and meet some of our king's men. So that, they can pick up a date to go to my in-laws' place and do all the necessary things.
Consider it done, my son.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you so much.
Nine, that is all you have to say. Huh? Pascal, don't worry. We shall see.
Sister Chioma, I've heard all you said. Tell your son to see me this evening or tomorrow morning.
Oh, yes, Father. Father, do you know the most annoying part of it? Eh? That girl my son wants to marry is not from this community. She does not even attend our church. In fact, I am...
Sister Chioma, I said I've heard all you said. Just tell your son to see me.
All this you're saying now, they're not necessary. Okay?
It's okay, Father. I've heard you. Kambianaba.
Mama, what is the meaning of this? Huh? I told you I have somewhere important to go to.
That's somewhere important have to wait. Let us go and see the Reverend Father.
To see the Reverend Father for what? I already told you I don't want to see him. Why is he looking for me?
That means where you're going to is not important. Let us stay.
Mama, why are you doing this? What have I done to you?
Pastor, I should be asking you. What have I done to you? Tell me!
Pascal, come.
Papa.
My son, you are a man, and I know that you can defend yourself anywhere, no matter what the case may be. Go with her to see the Reverend Father.
Alright, Mama. Get into the car, let's go and see him.
Better. Let us go.
Let's go together. No,
Father.
Please. I am already late for work, please. Can we talk here so that I can go to work?
Okay, if you insist.
Thank you very much. Oscar.
Your mother came here complaining about you. She said that the girl she found for you to marry, the girl she has been keeping for the past years, only for you to return and say you wouldn't marry her again. And she also said that this girl is not from this community, that she does not attend the same church with us. But that's not my point.
Well, thank you very much, Father. I appreciate your concern. Father, ever since you came into this community, I've listened closely to your sermon, and you preach much about love. Love your neighbor as you love yourself. Parents love your children, children love your parents, man love your wife, wife your husband. Now, this girl my mother wants me to marry is a girl I know absolutely nothing about. I don't know her father, I don't know her mother, I don't know her background, I don't know anything about her. Now, the girl I want to marry is a girl I love. Now, the point is, why would my mother compel me to marry a girl I know nothing about?
Ijeon, you heard your son.
Father, do not listen to this boy. Do not listen to him. He does not know what he is saying. As I'm looking at this boy, that girl has given you something and you have eaten. Do you know that he refused to answer your call? It was even his father that forced him to come and answer you.
Okay. What do you know about the family?
Father, I don't know the girl's father. But I know Agnes, my friend, who happens to be the girl's mother. When we were still in the city, Agnes, my friend, got married to her husband and gave birth to Chizoba, my son's wife to be. Before we could relocate back to the village, Agnes and her husband have divorced. So, I don't really know much about the father. But what I have to tell you now is that, you see Agnes, who happens to be my friend, I know her and Chizoba, my son's wife to be. I know them very well. They are good people.
Okay, since then, what have you done to know what caused the divorce?
Father, what does that have to do with the marriage?
A lot. A lot, Ijeon. But that is not my main point here. All I want to tell you here now is that you should allow your son, Pascal, to marry whom his heart pleases.
Thank you very much.
That is final.
Thank you very much, Father. Thank you.
Father, is that all you have to say?
I That is what God gave for me to tell you.
Thank you very much, brother. Thank you. Please, I'm late for work.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
Father, I did not want to help me in this matter. Father, why are you talking like this?
We will not continue going about this bush, okay? I just told you something. Allow your son to marry whom his heart pleases. Please.
Hey!
Sister Jimo.
Chizaba.
Good morning.
Good morning. Come.
Good morning.
When did you come?
I came last night. Mama said you were not back yet.
I see. Well, my mother told me how helpful you are. I mean, how you've been assisting her all this while. And you want to say that I appreciate.
Hey, it's okay.
Take this money and buy stuffs for yourself, huh?
Hey, thank you so much. God bless you.
Yeah, but one more thing, and very important. I know my mother must have told you stories. Yes, she must have told you how you and I will get married soon, right? Yeah, but I want to tell you that it's not going to work. Please, do not listen to my mother. You barely know me and I don't know you too well. So how possible is it for us to get married? Like I said, use that money and get yourself things. But as for getting married to me, it's not going to work. You and my mother should stop deceiving yourselves.
What is it? Why are you crying?
Mama, I don't understand what is going on. No. I don't understand what is going on anymore. I don't.
Nib, what is it? Talk to me. Eh?
I was sweeping the compound when your son came out and gave me this money, thanking me for all the things I've been doing for you, but want me to return back to my mother. That he is not interested in any agreement we had. Can you imagine that? Mama, I don't understand it. I don't understand it. What's the meaning of that now?
You mean my son told you this?
Just now, will I be lying to you?
My dear, don't worry. Relax, I will handle it. Eh? Go back to what you are doing. Go and continue sweeping what you are sweeping.
Sweeping what? Mama, I'm not sweeping anything again. At this point, I need to see my mother.
I said you should relax. I will handle it. Eh? Pascal is my son and you are his wife.
Good wife. Good wife.
Of course. Don't you trust me again?
What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked.
Ijengwa, what is going on? I do not understand what is going on at all. Why must your son talk to my daughter the way he did? Tell me, does it mean that the marriage is no longer going to work?
Says who? Eh? What are you doing? My son will marry her. Eh? Don't worry yourself. I know my son acted the way he did to find out the kind of person your daughter is. If she really loves him. Eh? You know young boys of nowadays. You know what gets so big.
Ijenwa, are you sure? Idepa sure?
My friend, are you talking like this? I know my son. Eh? I know my son very well. Before he takes any decision, he's going to give it a trial. You know, afterwards, he now decide. Don't worry yourself. If I want to take to Punke, I'm not working on her. This girl, Chizoba. Chizoba is his wife. Yes, so.
If you say so, let me believe.
Believe me. Mama,
but wait. What about the Reverend Father issue? How are we going to handle that one?
That's a good question. We will do something.
Do something? Something like what?
Agnes, I told you to tell Mazu Demba, your father's brother, that I will be here today with my son. Here you see. We have something very important to discuss. Why is he not here?
You did not tell me your reason of coming to see him. That's why I did not tell him anything.
Must I tell you everything? Okay, if you're interested to know, I'm here with my son. To seek for your daughter's hand, Chizoba, in marriage.
Oh, you forget. Have you seen it? This is why I was asking you. Tell me why you want to see my brother. Have you seen that your visit now is a waste?
Why are you wasting my time?
Because Chizoba is no longer free. Aka jie, aka puakpu jie. Obrozo onye jele egbele bam achọrọ m Chizoba. O nwere eji Chizoba kwụchim. But ma, before coming, I asked people about her. They did not tell me anything of such. Okay, it's because they want to make fool of you. Because everybody in this village knows that Chizoba is getting married to Pascal. She's getting married to Pascal, Mazu Okonkwo's son. But ma, the guy in question has not done anything yet.
At all.
I am here. I'm very much ready to do even the traditional rites right here now. With Ego Kerekere.
I have been listening to all your conversations from inside. What is it? Why is it that people do not like the truth? My mother has already told you. So why are you arguing with her? Why?
Chizoba.
Don't call my name. I said you shouldn't call my name. Who even told you my name? What is all this? This is how you people go about looking for someone else's wife to take. Or did my mother not tell you that I have been taken? I am someone else's now. Leave me alone. Leave me. Ogini, pick up one.
Chizoba, calm down.
Stand up, let us leave here.
Please, if you are leaving this compound, do not forget to take your miserable drink. Take.
Hey! Otiekwa miserable. Onyeka. Miserable.
What is this? Someone is married.
Do I
know? I should leave my Pascal and get married to Mama, it's not Keke Kahab.
Keke na pepe.
Hey! Any bad luck coming to this house, Holy Ghost, fire! Now look at me body more. Father, please. My friend and I brought this for you.
There is no peace in the world for the wicked.
Mommy.
Yes, Father.
What?
Father, please. This is the mother of the girl I told you that my friend wants to marry.
Mama Chizoba.
Chizoba, my first wife to be. We are here to play with you to help us talk to my son. Because just like I told you the other day.
Sister Agnes.
Yes, Father.
I've been seeing you in this community since I came here, but I've not seen you in the church. I want to ask you, are you a member of this church?
Yes, but...
Hold on. I want to ask you another question.
Has Pascal proposed to your daughter? Or even come to you that he wants to marry your daughter?
Not really, but
Sister Ijoma, take this. I am disappointed in both of you for doing this because you're friends. But I will never be a party to any forceful marriage that will lead to early marriage divorce.
Father. I thought you talked to me before. You were not serious. You didn't say the correct thing.
You're here. When did you come? You're not talking to me. What's the matter? Did anyone annoy you? Or do you have problems with your father, anybody?
No.
So why did you? Wow. You're pregnant.
Exactly my problem. What do I tell my father?
I mean, I don't see anything wrong if your father gets to know about this. After all, you're my wife-to-be. So what is wrong with it?
Wife-to-be, not your wife. The more reason my father won't know about this.
Sweetheart, I'm coming next week with my people to see your people. This is not an issue. It's good news. We should be happy. You're my wife already. Hey, you just have to get out of this mood, okay? Go inside, get me something to eat.
I'm not going, not today.
You're not going? Wow. That means it's gonna be hot tonight. It's gonna be hot tonight. It's gonna be hot tonight. Come on, sweetheart, cheer up. This is good news. Hey, alright, smile for me. Give me a smile. Come on. Oh, what's that one? Yes, hello, Mama. I'm fine. How are you? You're not fine. What's wrong with you? Oh, Chizoba. Oh, the girl you said I should marry. Come on, Mama. Come on. We've been over this very issue. I already told you that I've seen a woman I want to marry. A woman I love enough to marry. Come on, this Chizoba girl shouldn't bring issues between us, Mama. Yes, Mama, I know Chizoba is a beautiful girl. I know she's a beautiful woman. But I have seen the woman I want to marry, Mama, please. What? That if I don't marry Chizoba, you kill yourself. See, Mama, Mama, just... Hello? Hello? Hello, Mama? Hello? Whenever she says something like this, she's serious about it. What do I do?
Ijenwa kedu? No. What you did?
Thank you. Agnes, I want to see you.
Or the common.
Hagi, what is happening?
As you can see, these two people, the fair one is asking for Chizoba's hand in marriage. The other one is his brother. You have not said anything.
Better, please. Do not accept them. Eh? My son called that he is coming back next week to marry his wife.
And who is his wife?
My friend, he will not believe this. I called him on phone. I told him that if he fails to marry Chizoba, that I will kill myself. You need to see how he was crying and pleading.
Are you sure?
Don't you trust me again? If I hang him, I'll go come here or approach him. Yeah.
In that case, we have to go and discharge them.
Better, people. Melumia.
I want to say something.
Agnes, what is it? Oh, there is no problem.
What is that? I just got a message now that my daughter's husband, Chizoba's husband, is coming back.
Agnes, we don't understand. What are you saying?
Kettle, you don't understand. What am I saying? Remove your hand. Chizoba, okay, what kind of people? Hey, shut up! Which is son? Huh? Which is son? Hey, but I'm telling you now. He can okay, we'll go to be sure. I'm going to get that she's married. What kind of insult is this? Go, just shut up. Shut up your mouth. What insult? Which insult? Onyeke in Achu? I got to go. Huh? What is it? You will see. I will see nothing. It's you that will see. Leave my house. I'll go. Which money?
Agnes, what are you saying? Which husband are you talking about that we don't know?
You still know one money where weather. Agnes, don't want to. I have people that will drink. Hey! You don't know all of the computer.
Basil, do one day go on your door. If on a matter of man, Oganu one. Oganu one. Who were on it?
The world for the wicked, Nkonya Nemeno, Machalanya, Ewo, Ifonye Metalo Buru. What you reap is what you sow.
Yogo, none, welcome. According to the list you gave us, yes. These are the 4 husbands, and this one is for the Omona. Then Ibia for the father, then this malt and for the mother, and the lady. Then they are not oil, and bag of rice. And the other we are free. Are we free now? Okay.
Hello. You're welcome.
What are done, you ije nwa gbasapụ iru na gbasapụ iru na-akwa n'ụbọchị ahụ o nwere dịka onye kwuta dị Today is your day. Today blessed by God for us to be blessed your marriage today. Come and show close by yourself.
Okay. Hey. Bastard.
Bogo. You know, we can look anchor. Mama, look and I look at Naga. You got Moki, you got Mwani, you got Mujima, you got Bia, or 9 more time. Then look at the good Jozo. And I can't watch the Korean one to make ice with you. No, I don't know.
Yes, Papa, you called me. Yes, my son. Sit down. My son, I want to congratulate you for making me proud today. I am happy to be alive to witness your marriage. At least, if anything happens to me now, I will be very happy to join my ancestors.
Papa, nothing will happen to you. Alright? Nothing will happen to you. You and Mama will live long to eat the fruit of your labor.
Don't call me. If you want me to live long, why did you refuse to marry the girl I chose for you?
Mama, you surprise me when you talk like this. Don't you believe in love? Of course you do. And that was why you married Papa. Tell me, Mama, don't you want to carry your grandchildren?
Which grandchildren? From who? That girl? Can she ever get pregnant? City girl that has done series of abortions. I beg you.
No, not my wife. Not my wife. Mama, not Chiamaka Kem. Well, it might interest you to know that she is 3 months pregnant.
Are you sure?
Of course, my wife is pregnant.
Anyway, if what you just said is true, that means I am happy.
I'm happy that you're happy. My son, Papa, once more, I am very happy for you. You are happy too.
Biko, please. Eh?
Ijenwa, Why are you begging me? Why are you begging me? I'm asking you. Are you not the one that deprived my daughter from marrying one of the suitors that came to marry her? You're telling me to calm down. Calm down for what? Can one blow on her? Eh? Or is it not possible? It's not possible.
Please, my friend. I did all I could to stop my son from marrying that girl. But he didn't listen to me. Etiko,
can you listen to yourself? Ijenwa, were you not the one that came to this very house the day the last man came asking for her hand in marriage? And you told me not to allow that to happen because you've confirmed with your son that he must marry my daughter. You told me that you told your son that if he did not marry her, that you will kill yourself. I foolishly agree with you. Onyezuzu, I foolishly agreed with you. And your son went ahead and married that stupid girl. Why did you two kill yourself? Why are you still here?
Huh?
Why are you still here?
You really want me to die?
Is it not better? What are you still doing? What are you living for? I'm asking you, Jenwa, what are you living for?
My daughter, please.
Hey, please don't touch me. Who is your daughter? Will you get out of my sight? Rubbish.
Abbe, shut up. You heard her. Una? Let me come back before I push you. Abjo Mado. You're so cheerful. Wait for me.
Mama, I will not allow this. Mama, what do we do? Will you allow them go scot-free after all they have done to me?
Just relax. Pascal must marry you. Omeronizu. Omeno. He must marry you. You're still here.
Mama, it's good that you're here. Something has been bothering me seriously, and I really want to discuss it with you. Please, sit down. Mama, why do you insist I marry Pascal? Despite all the insults the mother has heaped on this family of ours. Why? You must have a reason for that. And I want to know.
I'm happy. I'm happy at least my daughter is now matured. For you to ask me this question shows that you are now grown. My daughter, you remember what I told you about your late father and his brother? How his brother sent me out of the house and took everything your father had, all because I am not from their community. I did not want the same thing to happen to you. I vowed not to remarry, just to take care of you. And come to think of it, this Pascal that we're talking about is very rich. He's capable of taking care of you.
Wait, Mama. You mean to tell me that it's because of me that you're not married again?
Yes.
What about your brother Basil? He also supported you not to marry again?
I did not have any problem with my brother.
Now, Mama, tell me, what do we do about this Pascal's issue?
Relax. Relax. Your mother is still working. She's working on it.
Woman, I have heard all you have said. What do you want Odogudibia to do for you?
Odogudibia? You see, for me to travel all the way from my community down to this place shows that that thing is very, very serious.
You have not said anything. What do I do for you?
I want that girl dead. I want her dead.
Amaru nke Dikeh dị eke na osi na zo ka ọnwa na ọgade ma nwa dị ọgade ma mba no asị gịnị ya na awose jara na wabibi ekene dị lu bịara tili ekwu eji Woman, the woman in question is pregnant.
Can you be pregnant? It's even better. I want something that will hurt them. I want something that will hurt them deeply. I want you to kill the girl and the unborn baby.
I cannot kill an unborn child. It's against my law. If I do that, my Abu will come back to me. But do you still want the young man to marry your daughter?
Yes.
I will turn the unborn child, if he happens to be a boy, to a girl. After delivery, I will lock up her womb and she will never get pregnant again.
Echikom,
is that okay by you?
Ije?
Your father is sick.
Papa? How? What happened to him? Where is he?
No, in the hospital. That is where I'm going to.
The hospital? Okay, let's go.
What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked. Nkonye neme no achalanya. Ifonye metalo buru. Buru nisia. What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked.
Once that woman comes, don't allow her into the world until she shall see you. Okay? Are you his son?
Yes, I'm his son, and this is my mother.
Let's talk in my office.
Why you don't talk to me? I'm a man. Whatever it is, tell me.
Okay? I'm sorry. We tried our best, but we lost you.
Don't call it a lie. My husband.
We tried our best. Don't stay.
This is not true. This is not possible. Hey!
What is wrong now? You've been keeping a long face all day. What is the problem?
Sweetheart, I'm disturbed. Seriously.
Over what?
When my father was alive, he told me that if anything happens to him, I mean, if he dies, that I should retire to the village. And now he's gone. I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
These old people and the way they say these things, if you don't obey now, it will be trouble. But I don't understand.
What's the point? What's the point?
What was his reason behind saying what he said?
Well, I can't really tell, but I feel, I'm the only son. And, we have landed properties, a lot of properties in the village. And those village people, once they don't see any man around, they start climbing it one by one before they take over everything. So I think that's his reason.
If you ask me, I think you should give it a second thought.
Yeah. But what about my business?
So, Pascal, you mean you and my daughter went to relocate to the village because your father says so I was alive?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I see. Have you discussed this with my daughter?
Yes, of course.
Chiamaka, are you aware of that?
Yes, Dad.
No, I don't have any problem with that or about your location, but my problem with this is that how about your business in the town? My daughter is a professional teacher, and I don't know the arrangement that's made to that effect.
Well, my in-law, talking about my business, my father has 4 shops in our big market. So I have asked 2 occupants to vacate the shops that I want to use it. And my wife's teaching career, I've concluded with the owner of one of the big schools in our community, and he has agreed to employ her. As a matter of fact, she's employed already. The man even called me yesterday, but I told him that I will be coming home fully by next week.
Oh, that's very good of you. Yeah. If I've made a good arrangement to that effect, and I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We are about to leave. Let me know that I'll ask my friend who has the 2 trucks to let me pack up things down to the village.
Thank you. Thank you very much, my in-law. God bless you. Thank you so much.
So how is Auntie, your wife, my stepmom?
She's fine. She's very okay. She left this morning to see Peter and Amara in school.
Look at this woman. What are you trying to say?
Hey, Pascal, seriously, I find this quite disturbing. You mean you just finally decide to come and stay with us in this village?
I don't... Oh, why your man? Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you. Again, what are you trying to say? Listen, young man. This is my home. This village is my village. This is where I come from. Alright? And once my father is no more, I automatically become the man of the house. So I don't know your problem with that.
Pascal, I know. The thing is, can you fight this village battle?
Yeah, I know. You're talking about all these battles in the village here and there. Omon, Ndobo, and the rest of it. Come on. If the battle is that tough, so why are you still here? They would have killed you long ago. Let us eat. Let us enjoy our meal.
What you reap is what you sow.
Hey, Egbo, it's like you're coming back from the market. I'm even going to your house.
Agnes, you are going to my house?
Are you surprised? You might be thinking that I'm still angry over what happened between us. The truth of the matter is that I am no longer angry. I have forgiven you. Even my daughter Chizoba, she has also forgiven you. What happened between us is a thing of the past.
Hey, this really shows that you are a friend. Yeah? I'm so happy now.
Yeah, I'm also happy. I'm happy too. What happened? I heard that your son and the wife is now back in the village. Or the Panama.
Yeah, so, you know when my husband was alive, he told him if anything happens to him, that he should relocate to the village so that he can take care of his property as the only son. To avoid the villagers to invade our lands now.
It's true. Hi, Ukuya Amaka. You've saved me the stress of going to your house. I'll be going back to my house now.
Agi.
Come on, Jenaba Sikwe. Can I see Alumpa?
Oh, I got How are you?
How are you doing?
I am fine.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming to your house.
My house?
Yes.
I hope there's no problem.
There's no problem. But there's something I need us to talk about.
Okay, in that case, I have to come back in the evening or tomorrow morning because I'm running around to share my wedding card.
What? Are you getting married?
Yes. You must come to my wedding.
What's your face like this? Give me. And who is the owner of the card? Wedding card. Onyana.
Didn't you see his name written there?
Johnson! The same Johnson you and your friend EJ were chased out of this compound the day he came to marry me. He's married. That is his wedding invitation. Are we talking about Onyeka? Onyeka is married and his wife is pregnant. Have you seen what you and your friend has done to me? Mama, have you seen it? So what becomes of me now in this village? All my friends have gotten married. Have you seen me? They are all laughing at me now because all my suitors has left me. Mama, why? Have you seen what you have brought upon me? You expect me to be happy, have you?
Is that why your face is like this? I've told you several times to relax. Why can't you trust your mother?
Trust?
Yes. Pascal is your husband. You know?
Oh, Mama, you obviously do not understand what is happening. The Pascal you're talking about is married. And his wife is pregnant. What will you do about it? Will you chase the wife out of the husband's house because you want me to go in? Will you?
Kanjoy, do you still love Pascal?
Does it change anything? Obviously it will not change anything because he's already committed. I love him, but it won't change anything.
commitment. Just get ready. Prepare yourself for your marriage with Pascal. Because what I am assuring you is that Pascal is yours and yours forever. Go
Leave my waist.
I'm just coming from the kitchen. I saw Jimmy Loko around the mangala.
Oh.
Who are you cooking it for?
I am preparing for Pascal's wife that just put to bed.
Mama, I said go. You are preparing it for who? Mama, are you alright?
Perfectly alright.
You're not alright. Hey, Mama.
Golibeba.
Hey, Mama, you're bad.
Onye ni mmadụ ọkwa n'ụlọ onye ite nwa ọmụ n'alụbana
We have a visitor. Nemo, Daluso. Agnes, hey,
what a friend. Next one. Oh, young man. I brought Jimmy Loko for you.
Hey, Jimmy Loko. You mean it? Jimmy Loko.
There is Uda in it, though. Eh?
Hey! I can't wait to eat this one. Hey!
You know it's very good for cleansing.
I can't wait to eat it.
Make sure you eat it.
I will.
Where's the baby?
She's sleeping. She's fine.
Come for me.
So
what you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked.
Hi, Dad. I'll pray for you.
What you reap is what you sow. There is no peace in the world for the wicked.
Why are you looking at them like that? Is there any problem?
Mama, I'm disturbed. It's been years now. Chamaka gave birth to Obianuju. Since then, she has not conceived.
I am disturbed too.
What is going on? I don't know what is happening.
About what, Mama? I don't know what you're referring to.
So you are not worried about your condition? Since you gave birth to Obianuju, there is nothing to show again. Not even a pregnancy, not to talk of miscarriage. Now, I am worried though. And I know your husband is worried.
Mama, the truth be told, I am worried. I am even more worried than both of you.
If you are worried, what have you done? Have you done anything?
What can I do, Mama? I'm not a doctor.
I know you are not a doctor. But you have to do something before it's too late. Eh? Yes, so a word is enough for a wise.
I want us to see a doctor.
See a doctor? Are you sick?
I am very sick.
You're sick and you didn't bother telling me?
I'm wondering why after we had Obianuju, I'm not able to conceive. I want another child.
It bothers me too. Seriously. But don't worry. We'll go see a doctor by tomorrow morning, okay?
Okay.
So just sleep. Alright?
Yes, Doctor, we want to know the outcome of the results.
Mr. Tomborai?
Yes.
Can I have I was actually on my way to somewhere. I've done there's nothing medically wrong with the doctor.
Nothing, absolutely.
Absolutely. Nothing.
So, I mean, how come ever since my wife and I had Obianuju, we've been unable to conceive?
Doctor, please, is there nothing you can do for us?
Like I said before, there's nothing medically wrong, but you know things like this happen. Sometimes you have to convert to prayers, and I believe with prayers things might change. But let me give you some drugs that might help you. Now, get those drugs. Hopefully, they will improve your condition.
Okay, Doctor, I'm optimistic. Thank you.
Ijenwa, my friend, I invited you here because I am no longer happy with what is going on in your house about your daughter-in-law. In fact, I don't know how to reconcile it. What are you planning to do as a mother?
My dear, I am so worried. I am confused. I don't know what to do. I don't even know the step to take or who to run to.
You don't know what to do. That means you want them to stay like that?
My dear, like I told you, I don't know where to go to. My dear, if there's any way you can help me, just do. Pico.
In that case, I have to think about it. Maybe to see if I'll come up with something reasonable. Yes.
Pico, my dear, think about it and help me. I'll be so happy.
It's okay. I will. What are friends for? I will.
Thank you very much.
It's okay.
Thank you. God, please.
Okay, Bejanaba. I can leave Japan what I can make. We just started talking without even. Let me go and get
Thank you, please. Just think.
I will.
Think. If
In
there's
a
any
supermarket.
way you can, I will be so happy. You are my friend. My name is Aggie.
It's a
We are friends, so.
Okay,
But the ticket,
read them for me.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
I have two questions for you. One, who told you that we turned your daughter into a cook? Then secondly, is it a crime for your daughter to cook for me, her husband? Is it? Why must she do that all the time? What about your other wife? Why must she be the one cooking for the whole family? Or they show you? Or they know you?
Mama, please, can I say something? To the best of my knowledge, I have been the one cooking every single meal, almost every day in this house. I can count how many times, on one hand, Chizoba has entered this kitchen since she got married into this compound. I don't know where your anger is coming from.
Shut up! Just shut up! Who asked you to talk while I am talking?
Enough! In-law, enough. I will not have you insult my wife. In my house, in my presence. That's not going to happen. She's someone's daughter, you know.
Pascal.
My in-law, please. It's okay. Calm down. This argument will not take us anywhere. The question is, how do we solve this matter?
What I am saying is that two of them should be cooking separately.
Better.
And anytime it is my daughter's turn to cook for the husband, she will do that.
Impossible. Impossible, I said. You cannot leave your house and come to my house to dictate for me how to run it. It's not possible.
No, please, it's okay. It's okay, please.